Oh Lord, we give you thanks for your mercy and kindness to grant us this beautiful day. Bless our parents, teachers, and all our dear and near ones. Heal the people, those who are suffering from COVID-19. Bless us, fill with the wisdom, help us to learn and earn knowledge. We ask your blessings. Amen.
Okay. So yesterday I sent the revision worksheet in the group. Did you return in the notebook?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Those who written, it's okay. Those who didn't write, please write it today. Okay. And let's revise or let's solve the questions in the worksheet. Okay. Let me share the screen. So no need to write now. Now you please listen here. We will discuss the answer. No need to write now. Now we will discuss the answers. Okay. Now today we are discussing the second chapter, no? Second chapter, patterns. Ritika, what is a pattern? Ritika, what's a pattern?
Repeating rise to a pattern.
What is pattern?
What is pattern, Ritika? Repetition of what?
Repetition of basic shapes.
Yes, in simple way we can say it's repetition of basic shapes. Sometimes it may be shapes, sometimes it may be numbers, sometimes it may be letters or pictures or something else. Okay, now let us see the first question. Okay, Ritika, read the first question. Try.
Repeating a shape or a group of shapes in a
Particular.
order gives rise to a dash.
What's the answer?
Pattern.
What's the spelling?
P-A-T-T E-R
N.
N.
Repeating a shape or a group of shapes in a particular order give rise to a pattern. P-A-T-T-E-R-N. Pattern. Now let's move to number 2. Wilfred, please unmute and read the next one.
The
Repeated
patterns of a pattern.
repeated parts of a
Part of a
pattern.
pattern is called
Its
dash.
The repeated parts of a pattern. What we call, Wilfred, the repeated parts of a pattern. What we call the repeated parts of a pattern. Samtom, what we call the repeated parts of a pattern? Are you remembering?
Basic shapes.
Very good, Mohammed Ali. It is basic shape. What is spelling basic shape, Mohammed Ali? B-A-S-I-C. Basic.
S-H-A-S.
S-H-A-P-E. See, if it is only one, we can say basic shape. If it is more than one, if it is a group of shapes, we can say basic shapes. Okay. If it is only one, we can say basic shape. If it is more than one, we can say basic shapes. The repeated parts of a pattern is called its basic shape. Now, let's move to the next one. Find the basic shapes in the given patterns. Okay, some patterns are given. You have to find out the basic shape. That means the repeated parts of the pattern. Nihal, please unmute and read the first one. The third question.
A C E G.
No. That is complete the pattern. We reach only 3. Third. Please read question number 3, Rihal.
Yes, ma'am. square, circle, square, circle, square, circle, square, circle.
So what is the basic shape in that pattern? The repeated parts.
Square, circle.
Okay, it's square, circle. It's square, circle. So we can move to the next one. Okay, number 4.
Then we have
Joseph
to
Sebi,
write-
please unmute and read. Joseph Sebi, please unmute and read.
And next Arav.
Arav, I will
Square, triangle,
wait.
square, triangle, circle.
Square, triangle, circle, square, triangle, circle, square, triangle, circle. So Joseph, what is the basic shape in that pattern? What's the answer?
Square,
Ah,
triangle, circle.
square, triangle, circle. Square, triangle, circle. Listen to ma'am. Those who have already written the questions in the notebook, they can do. Okay. Those who didn't write the questions, you no need to write now. After the class, I will send. Then you can write. Now we can move to number 5. Bennett, please unmute and read.
Right.
Arav, you can do the next one, 6th one. Okay. Now Bennett, please read 5th one.
Miss, rectangle, triangle, square, rectangle, triangle, square, rectangle, triangle, square.
So what is the basic shape in that pattern?
Miss, right, square.
Rectangle, triangle,
Triangle, square.
rectangle, triangle, square. Who is calling ma'am, ma'am? Is it
Arnav.
Arnav? Arnav,
Yes.
please turn on your video. Arnav, listen here. If you had written the questions in the notebook, you can write the answers. If you didn't write, no need to do now. You can do after the class. Now let me share the screen. Now, next we have complete the following patterns. Now, Arav, please read the first one, Arav. Arav, please turn on your video.
G.
A, C, E, G. We have to complete the next 3. So let's write the letters. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. It will go like that. No, K, M, N. Now let us see. Here we have A. No, A is there.
Yes.
Then we have C only. So B is not there. And next we have E. E is there. T is not there. G is there. E, F is not there. G. That means alternate letters. A, C, E, G. So what will come next?
T.
Arav?
T.
Is
I.
it H or I?
I.
I. It will come I. Now next we have J or K.
K.
K. And next we have, is it M or N?
N.
Just
L.
1 minute. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. Sorry, here I didn't write L. I, J, K, L, M. So after K we have
M.
L or M?
M. M.
M. So we can write the last one M. So we have A, C, E, G, I, K, M. Once again, A, C,
C.
E,
G.
ah,
E.
After
G.
G we have
I.
I,
K.
K,
M.
M. So we can move to number 7. Number 7. Siddhi Vinayak, please unmute and read the pattern. Siddhi, please unmute and read the question number 7. Siddhi, are you listening here? Please read number 7.
M.
No response. Assyria, please turn on your video.
J.
Okay, continue.
Ma'am, can I write that?
Okay, Siddhi Vinayak, please listen here. See, M9, L8, K7, J6. So we have to fill 3 more. No, we have to fill 3. Now, listen here. So here, yes, Anushka, tell me. Anushka, please tell me louder.
What page number?
No page number, my dear. This worksheet I sent yesterday in the group. If you had written in the notebook, you can complete the answer. If you didn't write after the class with the answers, I will send it, then you can write. Now you please listen here. So here we can see the pattern is a combination of letters and numbers. Now let us see the first, the letters. Okay. Let's write letters first. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. Okay, it's enough. Now, let us see here. M. M is here. L, K, J. That means it is backward. It is backward. See, M, L, K, J. So what will come next? After J we have, means not after, before J we have Siddhi Vinayak. Which letter will come next?
I.
Siddhi Vinayak, tell me the next letter. Which letter will come next? It's backward. So M, L, K, J. Which is the next letter?
I.
I. So we can write I. Then we have
H.
H. Then we
J.
have
J.
G. Now let us see the number part. Okay, here we have 9, 8, 7, 6. So what will come next? Siddhi, what is the next number? Backward counting. 9, 8, 7, 6. Siddhi Vinayak, listen here. What will come next? Backward counting. 9, 8, 7, 6. Where are you looking? Siddhi, listen here. Please tell me the backward counting. 9, 8, 7, 6. So what is the next number?
Yes, ma'am.
Which is the next number, my dear?
Five.
Backward counting. Where are you looking? Listen here. 9, 8, 7, 6. So which is the next number? Five. Then next we have.
4.
Then next we have
3.
3. So the answer is I5, H4, G3. I5, H4, G3. And next, question number 8. Advait PM, please unmute. Okay. And read the pattern, Advait PM.
1A, 1, 2A, 2, 3B, 3, 4B, 4.
Okay. So here also we can see both numbers and letters. 4B4. Now let us see first of all the number part. Okay, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. So what will come next, Advait?
5, 6.
Eh?
5.
Here will come 5, 5.
5.
Next we have 6, 6. Okay. Now let us see the next one, the letter part. Here in the middle we have A, A, B, B. So what will come next?
C.
C. So what is the answer? Here we can write 5C5.
5C5. 6C6.
Very good. So the answer is 5C5, 6C6. Five C5, 6C6. Arjun Krishna Janesh, please unmute and read the next one. Number 9.
Two A 4-6E.
2A, 4C, 6E. Here also we can see the number also, letters also. So the letter number we can write first. 2, 4, 6. So what will come next?
5.
Is it a 5? 2, 4, 6. Alternate numbers, no? 2, 4, 6. What's the next?
2, 4, 6.
If you wrote, it will come 8. What about the next one?
10.
10. So we completed the number part. Now let us see the letter part. Here we have, let us write the letters A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. Now here we have A. B is not there. C. Okay. Then D is not there. E. So after E, which will come? Is it F or G?
G.
G. So with 8, we have to write G. Then with the 10, which one? Is it H or I?
I.
I. So 10, I. So here we can fill 8G, 10I. 8G, 10I.
Ma'am, next is Muhammad Ali.
Okay, Muhammad Ali. Then you please read the pattern.
Thank you, ma'am.
Please read the pattern.
9, 8, 7. Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome.
4.
See, T9, U,
V, W, X, Y.
Very good. T9, U8, V7, W6. Here also we can see the letter and the number. Okay. Now, T, U, V, W. The next letter is X. Okay. T, U, V, W, X. And next we have Y. So
Y.
T, U, V, W, X, Y. Now let us see the number part. 9, 8, 7, 6. So what is the letter? Next we have the number 5.
5, 4.
Y 4. X 5, Y 4.
5, 4.
T9, U8, V7, W6, X5, Y4.
Ma'am, today's exam.
Yes. Afternoon, I will send the link in the group, so you have to attend it.
Ma'am, please share the screen.
Okay, I will share the screen. Afternoon, I will send the link. You have to attend it. The pattern chapter.
Send this.
Revision test link. Not now, Evelyn. Afternoon only. Afternoon, I will send the link. So
No,
please.
darling, I said this photo.
Now, all of you have completed?
Yes.
Okay,
No.
Sam Tom completed. Sam Tom completed.
Ma'am, can you write it? I am right. The 8th question.
Okay, complete it. Complete it.
Ma'am, can you write it?
I will share in the group after the class.
Now finish.
What about the Sam Tom?
I am now 9th question.
Okay, okay, right, right.
And Karthik is finished.
Okay, Parvati, good.
Ma'am, Karthik finished.
Okay, okay, good. So those who have completed, take your notebook. Those who have completed, please take a notebook.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Sam Tom, let me change.
No, ma'am.
Okay, right, right. Is there Advait PS today? Advait PS. Is there Advait PS today?
No, ma'am.
No. Then Android.
Absent.
Is there
No,
there Android today?
Absent. Okay, ma'am. Sentence completed.
Android is present.
Ma'am, sentence completed.
Okay, good. Now please take your notebook. Let's write some questions. Please take a notebook. Please take a notebook and write the question which I'm going to give now. Identify. Yes, Anushka.
Ma'am.
Yes, Anushka, tell me. Okay, Parvati, tell me. You want to see the worksheet page?
We have to write in the
You can write in the notebook. Next page you can take. New page. There you can write. Identify.
Ma'am, I want to see the worksheet page.
Okay. Now which question you are writing? Yes, Evelyn, tell me.
One.
Eh?
One.
No, no, no. See, this I sent yesterday in the group. So if you're writing one onwards, it will take time, Evelyn. So you can do one thing. I will send with the answer in the group. So you can copy from there. Not now, after the class. Okay, Evelyn? Now we can move to the next one. So please take a notebook and write. Identify. 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 THE. Identify. Identify the basic shape
basic shape
identify the basic shape or
ma'am, please tell the basic shape
basic shape BASIC basic SHAPE or group of
shapes
basic shapes.
group of basic shapes. Group of basic shapes. Shape. Basic shapes or ma'am, please wait for
Only these two questions.
O
I
A B
can write the answer.
SIC B
Kashyap is here today. Kashyap. Is there Kashyap today?
absent.
Absent. Madhav. Is there Madhav today? Madhav is absent? Absent. Shiva Madhav? What about Shiva Madhav? Absent. Stefano? Stefano also absent. Tomsaji? Absent.
Present എടുക്കണ്ട.
Please mute your device.
Ma'am Muhammad is completed.
Okay, good.
Ma'am Arjun Krishna is completed.
Okay. Now please be quiet. Please be quiet. Tirtha, please read the pattern and tell me the answer. Read the pattern and tell me the answer.
Circle, rectangle, square. Circle, rectangle, square.
So what's the basic shapes here?
Circle, rectangle, square.
Okay. Now, Bhagyasri, please unmute and read the next one. Bhagyasri, please read question B. Read the pattern.
Square,
Ah,
circle,
ah,
square,
ah.
circle.
So what about the basic shape?
Circle,
Eh?
yeah.
Please open your mouth and read. What about the basic shape?
Ma'am, we want to write this.
Kaya?
Circle. Ma'am, we want to write this.
Kaya?
Square,
Circle?
circle.
Square, circle, circle.
And we want to write this. Ma'am,
Okay, Samto. Now those who have completed, please be quiet. Okay. Some are still writing, let them complete.
Karthik complete.
Okay, Karthik, good. Karthik, what is the spelling of pattern? Tell me. What is spelling of pattern? P.
A
Uh,
T T
uh,
E
uh.
R N.
AERN. Good. Pattern. Now, Samtom, what about a basic sheep? Tell me the spelling. Basic sheep.
BASIC.
Uh,
Basic.
uh.
Shape.
Sheep. SHAPES. Sheep. Basic sheep. So afternoon, I will send the patent chapter link. So you have to attend it. Okay. And tomorrow we will do the first chapter revision. And Monday we will have the revision test.
Finish, ma'am.
Okay, let me write one more question here.
Ma'am, Siddhivinayak finish.
Okay, so I will write one more question. C.
You can grow
Here we have
Easy. CPC.
now you write the answer. So here we can see there are six-sided figure. Six-sided means it is hexagon. Hexagon, circle, diamond. Hexagon, circle, diamond. Anay, what about the basic shape? What about the basic shape here? Anay? Hexagon.
Circle, diamond.
Hexagon, circle, diamond.
And we finish.
Okay, good, good.
Completed.
Okay then. Is there anyone to complete? I will send the worksheet in the group. So you can copy the worksheet. So I'm going to stop sharing. Is there anyone to complete?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So let me share it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Evelyn, right.
No, ma'am. Yes,
Evelyn,
ma'am.
you complete it.
Ma'am, Phantom completed.
Okay, good, good. Those who have completed, good. And those who didn't complete, please complete it.
Ma'am, I completed. I completed.
Okay.
Ma'am, all friends are completed.
So let me wind up the session. Evelyn?
No. Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Yes. Hi, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay, Evelyn, you write. Evelyn, you. Those who have completed, they can leave. Evelyn, you write.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. See you in the next class.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, bye, bye.
Bye, ma'am. See you in the next class, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. ma'am. Bye. Ma'am, I can leave.
Yeah, yes. Parvati, you can leave. So if you have completed, you can leave. Okay, Jennifer, bye.
The completed students can leave.
Yes.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye,
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Thank
Bye,
you,
Arjun
ma'am.
Krishna.
Bye. Thank you. Bye. Bye.
Please be quiet. Please be quiet.
Have a nice day.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Have a nice
See you in the
day.
next class, ma'am.
Next class, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Have a nice class, ma'am. Bye.
Everyone right?
Yes, ma'am. Can you? Finish, ma'am. Bye, bye, tata. See you.
Okay. So we will meet in the next class. Okay. Bye. See you.